Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the limit instruction in LSPLC. What's the limit instruction and why we use in the PLCs and how we use and what's the purpose of this limit instruction. This is the limit instruction. I will delete once and we will again take for your better understanding. You can click it on the F10 and after anywhere you can place this command, and when you type in the search bar limit LIMIT limit, after you will be get the command in the function list. Click it OK, and after it's ready in the window page. But before start we use this command, I will explain you. This is very interesting and also very important command which we can use for the multiple reasons. One of them I will share with you, like PID control, output clamping. When writing custom control loops or using PID instructions, the calculated output sometimes overshoots. So we can use this limit command. For an example, an analog output card controlling a value accepts a value between 0% and 100% if the PID math calculations 150%, the limit block forces it to 100% before sending it to the analog output, preventing hardware errors. So we will practically check this command. I will write some data registers here. An example MD10 we will choose for the minimum value, and for the main value which is coming from the field, this we will be type data register MD15, and for the maximum value we will type the MD20, and one which is we take the result. For example, output means we take the data register MD25 and click OK, and this program will be downloaded into the PLC and click OK. Go to the monitor, and now for an example have some value coming from the field. That's we will be decided hit here minimum value. For an example 20 we will be write. Before 20 this value not passed any value, and maximum value we will be type 30, and if our value is 0 it will be passed minimum value to the output, and if there is some value, any value, for an example 15 I will be type, and you can see it not passed out. If for an example 20 value I will passed, it will be equal look like it will passed only 20 values. And for an example, if value increased the 25, after you can see it's passed the 25. But in case of some reasons, if there is some sensor fault or something, or value like to overshoots this value above the 30, for example 1% it will be if make it any overshoot 31, for example you can see this is value only 30. Here is value maybe 40 or 50 or any value if coming, but this block will be blocks the value and not passed, which value is range in between the 20 and the 30, it will be passed this value only. If you put it this, for an example 30 minimum and click OK, and after this you will put 60, for example minimum, after you will see this value passed the 50. Because of this value coming from the field, this is the 50. For an example, here I will put 40. It will be past 40. It will be, if we pass 35 for an example, it will be past 35. But if value coming 25, it will be not passed. It's only moves the 30 value, minimum and maximum. So this way you can use this any VFDs, or for an example temperature, pressure, or in the speed controlling, or any PID controls, whatever you like to be maximum and minimum value like to be passed, so you can use this limit command. This is very interesting and very uh, important command. So hope guys you will be understand about this limit command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.